We will solve one more problem, uh, the continuation of that trigonometry which is appeared in 2019. Okay, the question number is 37 uh, for 3 marks, which is appeared. If a plus b is 90 degree, cot b is equals to 3 divided by 5, sin a is equal to. So this is what the very simple question they have asked. I think it is not for 3 marks, so it is for, if it is the 38 series, can you tell me what is that? It is 2, right? So no, it is 1 mark question, so it is not 3 mark, it is 1 mark, right? So how to calculate this? Can anybody guess how to calculate this one, right? So for this, again, draw the diagram so that it is better understanding for you. Here it is not like this. Cot B is the given thing is cot B. So how to represent this cot B? That is a ratio, trigonometric ratio. We know that tan B is the very known thing. I can represent tan B as opposite divided by adjacent. Correct? Now, with respect to this, how we can take? It is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Is it correct? So it is a reciprocal of tan is cot. So here I will consider this as B, this is something like A, and this as C, right? So now, why I have taken this as 90 degree is, they have given it is A plus B is 90 degree. If I take this angle and this angle, that becomes 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180. So sum of the angles of the triangle is 180, right? So there is a concept. So you should know this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. That you should know. Okay. So that also I will write here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Since it is an MCQ question, this all the things we should not write that, but still. So cot B is adjacent. What is adjacent? Is BC. What is opposite? Okay. What is opposite? AC. Right? So this is what it is. And this value is nothing but what? 3 by 5. BC is 3. AC is 5. Is it correct? Check whether what is the question which is given. It is 3 by 4, not 5. It is 3 by 4. So it is right here. Cot B is BC by AC. So BC is 3, AC is 4. So this is 4. When it is 3 and when it is 4, what is the value of this? You can easily predict. What it is? 5. Is it correct? According to Pythagoras theorem. How to cross check that? According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Right? What is AC square? 4 square. What is BC square? 3 square. What is that? 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9. So it is 25. AB square is 25. So AB is 5. Right? But what is the question? Sin A is equals to is the question. And also you can look at this. A plus B is 90 degree. So it is what the question is. So for that I will take the help of A plus B. So A plus B is equals to 90. Since they have given this in terms of cot B, so here we can write 90 minus B. Here it is A. A is 90 minus B, correct? Since they have asked sine of A, we can write it as sine of 90 minus B. Is it correct? That's what LHS they are asking. What is sine of A is equals to? What is sine of 90 minus B? What is the complementary for this sine is cos. What is 90 minus b? B. So sin A is nothing but cos B. Correct? So now, how we can write cos B? Cos of angle. Cos is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What is the value of adjacent? 3. What is the value of hypotenuse? 5. Right? So what is cos B? 3 by 5. So cos B is nothing but what? 3 by 5. What is sin A? Sin A is also same. That is nothing but 3 by 5 because both are equal according to this complementary angle. So it is a only 1 mark question. If the question is like this, immediately what you should do is, it is given in terms of B. So you should write this one, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is 3, opposite is 4. So the next side is 5. That is the first conclusion. Second conclusion is, take this, A plus B is 90. So since you want A, so take it as in terms of A, it is 90 minus B. So apply sin on both the sides. So you will get sin A as cos B. Now from this triangle you can write what is cos B. Cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. For that you should apply this Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this is involving many parameters. Like first parameter is, you should write this 1, 2, then you can write this 1, 3, you can 4. Actually it is having 4 segments. This question is covering 4 segments. So that without solving this, how I can do this is sin A. If you know that it is 90 degree, so that you know that this is 3 and 4, so obviously it is 5, right? Sin A means, so it is opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite to this? A is 3. What is hypotenuse? 5. Simple, close. If it is a descriptive type, this answer should be like this. If it is descriptive, your answer should be like this for 3 marks or 4 marks. If it is MCQ, very simple. Just draw the sides. I already told. 3 and 4, 5, finish it. Okay. Thank you. You will see in the next video. So that we will not continue with the trigonometry. Trigonometry is finished. We have solved exercise problems, enough problems, and also question paper problems. So that it is going to be beneficial. Thank you. If you want notes regarding this, I want to clear this. I want to clear this parameter because many are asking their doubts and grievances. So I want to make it clear. So we have notes in digital format, right? So I hope you heard the Google Classroom. In that Google Classroom, we are going to upload the notes like physics, mathematics. Suppose if I take the mathematics, trigonometry. So I will upload the trigonometry notes, right? Similarly physics, similarly chemistry, similarly biology, right? So if I do like this, how we can assess it is the question. So we want your email ID and we put it here so that you can assess it. You can download it. You can read it. You can download it. And we will not send to your WhatsApp like a PDF formats like that. No. So we are taking your email ID and we are putting in some platform so that you can assess it. So you can download it. You can read it. No issues. Right? So that is the thing I want to clear. And this is in English medium, physics, maths, chemistry and biology, digital format notes, right? I hope you heard the Google Classroom. So there we are not putting, we are not doing the class there. We are just putting notes so that you can assess it, right? If you want the more clarification on that, you can just message here. Please, we'll try to avoid the calls, so it's better to WhatsApp. Right? So I hope it is clear now. It's very simple. We are putting the notes and you can download it. Right? Thank you.